welcome to vlog number 2. Here we are in Shimla and we are going to go to Manali today. The distance from Shimla to Manali is 248 kilometers. So we are leaving at 6:30 from the hotel where we are and 7 o'clock is our cab. So let's go. We are taking out all our luggage from the room. It's very early here, so the shopkeepers are setting up their things. There you can see hills. My bags are ready. So let's go.
Move down a bit.
मंथ पहले स्लाइडिंग हुआ था यहाँ पे। एनएच रोड बंद हो गया था।
यहाँ पे
तो आप ही जाएंगे भाई जी। अब टेंशन है, आप ही सब बताइए आप कौन सा। हाँ वही चकना हुआ आपने शादी के बाद। कौन बोलो? एक दो मिनट वो देखो बोर्ड भी देख लो सामने। क्या लिखा है?
Video start now. Say him hello.
Hi.
Okay, sir. आपका good name?
Fabian Peters.
Where are from?
Calcutta.
Angelina Peters. Hi, I'm Charmin Peters from Kolkata, the city of joy.
Okay, team. My name is Yuvraj. Okay. Okay, team. Tightly, everybody. Excuse me. Hold the rope properly tight. Okay. Okay, team. Enjoy the rabbits.
From Shimla to Kulu Manali.
Say guys, look here. Say hello. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, one by one jump.
We're going to go into the water.
Okay.
Ready to dive.
Okay, relax. No problem.
Yeah.
Kutu's going to dive now.
No problem. No problem. Relax. आराम से. Slowly, slowly. Say relax,
No
girls.
problem.
Relax, relax, relax. आराम से. शांति से कुछ ना कर. अरे जैकेट इस फ्लोट करेगा आपको.
Your jacket will allow you to float.
Go, go enjoy. You like to do this. Go.
Catch my hand.
हाँ.
Catch my hand.
Yeah.
And go far.
No
I'll
problem.
pull you.
Do good smile.
Hey, nothing will happen. Till I'm catching you, nothing will happen. Go far. You won't get this chance. Go far.
Wow.
Ah.
Come. Okay. Hold the camera. Come.
Catch. Step on me. Step on me and go. Step on me for two. Yeah.
Good. This side.
Okay.
Very cold the water was.
Okay. Okay, team. Tightly, everybody.
Let her row. Come on, you row us. Give it to her. Give it to her. They row good?
Yeah, give it.
Yeah. Just catch it. Yes. Row.
Row. You put gently down the beach river.
Give mama.
No, I won't.
Okay, you catch her. Come on, go. Chill up. It'll take longer to go up.
Chili Kulu Manali river rafting.
Yes,
Very,
very.
very nice. It's an awesome experience. It's too good. It's too good. Everybody should come here once. It's superb.
I'm loving it. There, look there. Oh, it's taking us right.
Oh, he made me also have a bath.
Okay, team say bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Chili
Bye.
Mansoor, bye.
Hi guys, we just came back from the river rafting, and if you come to this place, you should taste Maggie from this shop, which is in the campus of the river rafting. As you can see, in the parking area, there's a shop which makes yummy Maggie, and it looks like this. It looks delicious and it tastes very, very delicious. Let's taste. It's double egg Maggie, and the ride was awesome. Here, very tasty Maggie. He makes very delicious Maggie. If you come here, you should taste his Maggie. So let's see what's next. Hey guys, I just finished my Maggie, and it's really, really cold over here. And this is the car we came by. So guys, when you will go for river rafting, you have to come here. So you'll come here by your car, you're gonna park it there, and after that there are cars from here, cars belonging to this place will take you like this to a certain distance, and then they will, it's a very long distance, so from there they'll put this boat down into the river, and then there'll be a guide with you, and they'll bring you in the water. Here the boats are kept. The river rafting was a real experience. It was very nice. When you are in the river raft, there's a man, he clicks the photos, he makes the videos and all, because you're not allowed to take phones and go, because it may get wet, and then you won't, means your phone will get wet and it will get destroyed. Hey guys, so from this place only, from the same place from where we did river rafting, now we are going for paragliding. So that place car is taking us now. We are on our way.
your trip?
Very, very nice. And
Salt factory.
That is how the streams get together. Go to the next one and see. They get close to it. Spin mills.
Spin mills. Guys, so here they make, I don't know, something. From here we have to go up. Thank you for watching my vlog. This is vlog number 2 and vlog number 1 is in the description. Please don't forget to go and check it out. And if you like this vlog, I hope you like this vlog, but if you did, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below. Please don't forget to share this video to all your friends, family, relatives and everyone you know. And please don't forget to tell them to subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. Vlog number 3 is coming up soon, which is in Manali. Hi guys, today in this video I am going to be doing my first ever giveaway, and it could be you, you could be the winner. And I'm gonna do giveaway of 1000 rupees. And this is my first ever giveaway, and I am doing it on Christmas. I'm gonna be releasing a video on Christmas, or maybe on Christmas. So in the video I'm gonna tell you who is the winner of my giveaway. I'm gonna be doing the shout out that day on Christmas. And to participate in this, you just have to do few things, which are share, like, subscribe and comment. You just have to do 4 things, and it could be you could be the winner of 1000 rupees. So just do these 4 things, which is like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's see who is the winner and who gets the shout out.